Whoa, we're going bowling today. So when you get here to do bowling, you want to come in on the hotel side where we took our picture.
Yes.
Right.
Yes.
Just to let everybody know, this is our first time here. Yeah, we're not here to gamble and lose our money. We want to like bowl.
No, we're not here to lose money.
Because I think I have a better look at bowling than gambling.
I'm into making money though.
Yes, I know. Me too. I think I have a much better chance of like getting some turkeys than winning big on like a slot machine.
I'm literally telling you.
Well, let's hope so. Well, we just walked in. This place looks really nice. Oh, bowling's right here. What? Oh, they got a little shop in there. This looks nice. I guess bowling's straight in this way. It's pretty. I like it.
Saturday and Sunday was $30.
Yeah, those are the prices for bowling. So price per game Monday through Thursday is $4, then Fridays through Sunday it's $5. Or you could do it per hour. Those prices aren't bad actually compared to a lot of bowling alleys.
Oh, per game is $6. That's actually a good price. Is that really 10 lanes?
So they got 10 lanes in here and it's super nice. Love all the music, the screens, the lights. It's very nice in here. Super, super nice. So who's going to win?
Probably me.
Probably.
I don't know. I'm just kidding.
Yeah, it's nice. Oh, and if you guys are wondering, we did 1 hour with the shoes. Came up to $40. Really not bad. I've been to bowling alleys where I paid way more than that for shoes and stuff. So my mom was like, do you know what time it is? You don't got to worry about what time it is because it tracks your time right there. This is really nice. She's already going. I caught that on film.
Well,
Hey, that's the first one though.
It's okay,
That's the
but
first
that
one.
ball's too heavy.
Ooh, the pins went red. I like how the pins change different colors. That's cool.
It's tight.
Oh my gosh, we're tied up 26 to 26. So mom just got a spare and it's her turn again. This is last frame. Oh, almost a strike. Dang. Not bad.
Oh, 115. That's good.
Oh, it went away too quick. Is it still there? So that's our score. 81 and 115. Not bad considering we haven't bowled for almost a year, right? Not bad. Mom's got everyone's favorite split. The most doable spare to pick up. Might be, right? The same thing I did. Alright, so quick update. We got about 19 minutes left and we just finished up our second game, or about to, so we can definitely do 3 games in an hour. So our hour just ended and we only have a couple frames left. It did modify our time and give us a few extra minutes just to wrap up our game. So that's nice. That's nice they did that. We did pretty good. Not bad. We did 3 games. There's our scores. Not bad. It was fun. So if you guys want like food and drinks, they got pizza in here. They've got sweets, all kinds of stuff in here. So if you want food and drinks, they have that. They also have a little gift shop over here, it looks like. Get cigarettes and beer and sodas and stuff. Oh cool, you can order right here. Nice. I like it a lot.
That's a gift shop.
You had fun?
Yes, but it was a workout.
It was. It started getting a little warm in there, but I had fun too. Thank you. But yeah, definitely if you're in the area, come out here. Like if it's like right between Sebring and Okeechobee, and it's a lot of fun because we don't have any bowling alleys anywhere, so it's kind of nice to come out here. They got 10 lanes, so we were saying they should do like laser bowling. That would be fun. But yeah, hopefully you guys can come check it out, and it's priced well. It's not too expensive.
No, I would recommend if you have more than 2 people, Play per game, not per
Oh
hour.
yeah, don't pay per hour. Then you feel like you're rushing. Just do per game. It's easier. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. Prizes are forever. See you later.